Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a NotifyMe bot on Discord. Now, what this bot does is it notifies you if you go live on YouTube, TikTok, or Twitch, or Kick. It says here. Or, if you don't want to use it to set up your own, you can use it to notify you when other YouTubers post stuff or that. So let's get right into setting this up. Just what you want to do is head over to your Discord server. You then want to go up here and then click App Directory. And in the search bar, you search Notify Me. And it is this one here. Then what you want to do is you want to click Add App. And when this loads up, you want to select the server you want it on. As you can see, it says select a server. What you want to do is click on that and select what server you want it on. As you can see here, I have it on the server I want it on. Then you just click continue. These are all the permissions it gives the bot. You just click authorize and it adds you. Then it will take you to a browser where it gives you an offer to join their support. Now, of course, you don't have to, but you can if you want. This completely up to you. And then after that, as you can see here, it is joined the server. Now to set it up, we have got to go over to a browser of some sort. I will be using Google Chrome, but you can use whatever browser you like. So let's just head over to the browser. As you can see here, we're back on our browser. You want to go up to here and then click on Dashboard. If that button is not there for you, you must go on to notifyme.bot/dashboards or /servers. You will need to log into your Discord first though. But then it'll take you to your servers page and you will have to click on the server that you have added it to or want it on. Then over here, as you can see, we are now in the dashboard. As you can see, here we are on it. What you want to do first is choose which you'd like to get notifications for. Over here you can see YouTube, TikTok, Twitch and Click. You can choose which one you want to set it up for. I will do YouTube, and once you've done it, click Add Channel. So what you do is click that, then you put the YouTube URL. Now how do we get that? Just go over to a browser, or if you can remember what it is, just type it in. Or just go over to here, copy that there, or the entire thing of the channel, or what you want it on. Copy that, take that back, and either add that onto the end, or if you copied all of it, move that, and paste it there. Then, channel status. Running means you'll get notified when it gets uploaded or goes live. Pause means you will not get notified, so you want to keep it running. Discord channel. This is what channel the ping will be sent in, or the message. So just choose what you want it to be sent in. Then the ping role, this is who it will ping. So you can have everyone here or a role of yours. I'll just put everyone. Then this content type filter. This is what you will get pinged for this channel or message. If I want just shorts, I tick everything off but keep shorts ticked. And now that means it will just be shorts out. That will be this. I want just live streams, there we are again, just that, and just videos, that. Now, the video message, you can customize this as much as you want. If you go over here, you can see all the tags there. The ping role, the channel name, the link to the video, the all link, the title, and platform icon. Let's just keep channel posted a video and click add channel. And now that has done, as you can see there, if you click on that, it takes you to it. And now as you can see, there's still two things here. You've got the custom embeds and custom bot. This requires you to buy the premium or NotifyMe basic. And if you're wondering how to get premium or what's in premium, go to the top and click this premium with a star next to it. It will then load up Get More with Premium page. As you can see here, there's 3 tiers of premium. you got the basic, the plus, and the advanced. So for $4 a month, you get the basic, $8 a month you get plus, and $15 a month you get advanced. In the basic, you get 2 premium servers, 300 channels, 75 of each, custom notifications, so you get to choose what it says in the embed, obviously, or the message, and you get to customize the bot. The bot won't say notify me, it will say what you want to say with the image you want. And on this you can get, and also that premium servers mean that's how many servers you can premium in. Plus 400 with 800 with 200 in each, and advanced you get unlimited channels and 10 premium servers. This is all the perks of it. I will just let you have a look at this currently, and you just pause it now, and that is all the perks. So now we've got it up and running, we should test it. So you test it by clicking the test notification here. You click that, and you have to wait a bit, and then and obviously it says send test notification to that. Now we just head over to our Discord. You can see here, this is obviously the test notification, it pings everyone, and it puts what is there, and obviously that is my latest short, as that is what the setting is set in NotifyMe. As you can see, going to this, it's videos and shorts. It will, with test notifications, it will do the latest thing you have uploaded. So if you uploaded a short last, it will do that, but on new videos or shorts, that is what it will put. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this style of video and this video and tutorial, leave a like down below and comment what other bots you like tutorials on, or just Discord tutorials. I'm thinking of carrying this series on, so just let me down below. That's all from me. Goodbye.